Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here to bring you a super short pixie. This is Wille Desire in the color Sandy Blonde Rooted, which is 24.22.16. Desire. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a beautiful pixie. I am really impressed with this one. So Desire is a fully hand-tied cap wig by Wille, and it is so cute and realistic. Oh my gosh. You know, I'm not a pixie girl, but when I put this one on, I thought, geez, I mean, it couldn't get more realistic looking. It's super flat to the head with that hand-tied cap and fits like a glove. Let's take a look at Desire from all sides. So adorable. I'm actually pulling it up real quick because I want to check out the nape here. 1.5 inches. Okay, so Desire is adorable, really short. So the measurements on Desire, I don't often give them, but with a pixie, I think it can be helpful. So we're looking at a 3-inch front, a crown of 3.75 inches. The sides are 2 inches, and the nape is 1.5 inches. So it's definitely got that short pixie vibe. And why I wanted to look at the nape specifically is, and I've said this in other videos with short wigs, you want to be aware of your personal hairline in the back of your head at the nape to know what length of wig is too short for you where you can actually see your hairline. So this is 1.5 inches. I always say anything under 2 inches, really be aware of your nape. 1.5 is pretty short for me. I tend to have a lowish hairline, but since I've been buzzing my hair, I noticed that I really can't see any of my hairline. I think they do a really good job of making it sort of tapered and making that go all the way. Sometimes with these short wigs, you can see like my hairline over here. But that doesn't seem to be the case with this one. So just look at this. So realistic and fun. This color, Sandy Blonde Rooted. So we've got a 24, a 22, and a 16. So you've got a whole bunch of different blondes blended together, and then you've got a bit of a darker root, which I think just is a perfect shadow root and doesn't look too obvious. It's just so cute. I'm looking in the mirror up above, and while I don't tend to love pixies, I'm actually really loving this. I've completely fallen in love with it. It's just got this messy, spiky, piecey look to it that is so flattering. And then if you wanted to kind of smooth it out a little bit, tuck it. Look at how she just sort of smooths out. Really polished, and then you can, it doesn't take much to get her all messed up and make her look really cute. Let's look at this hand-tied cap. Great cap. So you've got a lace front, fully hand-tied everywhere else. Full monotop, nice hand-tied features, you know, bendable ear tabs, extended nape, Velcro adjusters. You just have all the bells and whistles on this one. And when, you know, Wille is known to fit kind of average petite, this one is definitely average petite, leaning toward petite, very snug on me. I've got really kind of no room to grow in this one at all. She wasn't adjusted all the way out, so let me pull those adjusters as far out as they'll go. I have no extra cap, so if you have a large head, this is not going to fit you. If you have an average large head, it has some good stretch. I don't think it'll fit an average large. I think solidly average to average petite, I think you're going to be okay with this. I really do. It's just so realistic. I mean, it just, when you have a smaller head, and you get extra cap in wigs, the challenge you find with that is it makes the wig look like it is wiggy. It doesn't fit you as well. It adds bulk in areas that maybe you don't want because of the extra cap. And in a short pixie like this, you don't want that extra cap. And so I'm, you know, thinking for this one, that's what adds to this realistic look. It makes it look so realistic on me, is because it fits me like it was made for me, really. So great. So there's that lace front. Ellen Wille. Let me turn my light over here. Ellen Wille has awesome lace fronts. I'm never disappointed by their lace fronts at all. If you wanted to take piece out cream and like really spike it up in the front, you can spike that front up all the way, no issues whatsoever. This one is pre-worn. I had gotten this from a wig sister, and so she had taken a pinking shears to it, and she did trim the lace a little bit. You see that little scalloped? She took a pinking shears, and so it helps that lace to really melt into the head. One of the things that I personally find with Ellen Wille lace fronts is that I can see them on me. I think that the transparent color of them is just a little bit lighter than my skin tone, and so I can often see that line where the lace is. And taking a pinking shears to them solves that problem completely for me. I usually do that to my Ellen Wille wigs. So if you are someone who has struggled with lace fronts, pinking shears, I have a Tip Tuesday video. Go to my Tip Tuesday playlist on my channel, find that video. I show you how to take a pinking shears, a wavy scissors to a lace front, and it's awesome, and it doesn't damage it. I've not damaged a lace front yet doing it, and I love to do that, especially with Ellen Wille wigs. All right, guys, but what's my impressions? I'm gonna get outside so you can see this color. It's adorable. It's low density, no poof, doesn't have permatease. If you can wear pixies and get overwhelmed a lot by hair and do not like permatease, you're going to love this wig. Absolutely love it. I am not a pixie wearer, but I swear to you, I would wear this wig. It's just so flattering. I like it very, very much. Again, runs a little small. Coverage is awesome. I mean, my gosh, you can't see my hairline. I mean, it really looks like it's just my hair. There's nothing that looks wiggy about this at all. So I like it. So if this one wasn't on your radar, maybe it should be if you're a pixie wearer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll get outside for you so you can see this color. I appreciate you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Hey everyone, here we are with Sandy Blonde Rooted by Ellen Wille on Desire, this beautiful pixie. Who knew that I would fall in love with a pixie? But I have this one. Look at that. The color is gorgeous. Just a great blend of a variety of blondes. And then you've got the darker root, which gives it such a realistic look. Just beautiful. It's kind of neutral to warm. It's super cloudy out here, so hopefully we're still getting some good outside light. Just kind of gray and gloomy. A little bit easier when I've got the dark background, so let's get back to that. Definitely neutral to warm. Just beautiful. I love it. It's just the perfect, in my opinion, a really good blonde for a brunette, because it's not super out there, and then that root really helps. And again, with that awesome lace front. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.